Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you are new, please consider subscribing. Please leave a thumbs up. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Today, as promised but not really promised, today is moving day. Got my brother with me, and we are in a Mini Cooper 05 supercharged Mini. Has a smaller supercharger pulley and a tune, some John Cooper Works exhaust. It has some work. That's why you guys hear the supercharger whine really well. But we're going to Andy's house. We're picking up a cargo van type of deal that he used for Gresham Auto Wrecking. And we're grabbing a whole bunch of furniture from his place for the new office. And then we get to move some cars around, do a little bit of work around the office, basically move in as much as we can, settle in, settle down type of deal, so that within the next week or so could start doing business straight up out of there. I'll show you guys some clips of the Mini Cooper. We had a slight change of plans. We're gonna do this a little bit differently. So we came to my old location and need to get this car out. Of course, it was dead. Still needs a little bit of work. I have my Escape here, which we will use to load up stuff. And this 370Z actually looks really nice. Really like this duck tail. Nice wheels. Thing looks pretty clean. So yeah, we're gonna do things a little different. I will get new filing cabinets and everything else will be new, but for the time being, I definitely still want to be organized. And when I started my business, honestly, feel like I paid maybe 10-15 bucks for each of these, and I have 2 of them. Got 2 file cabinets in. Let's shut it down. This car's been running. Hopefully it kind of charged up a little bit. This will need a new intake as far as I know. Which is like 300 bucks. Let's see, actually I'm gonna close the window first. I mean, when I had it and you drive it, yeah, see, it's good. It's just been sitting for like 2 weeks. Wanted to do a drive-by the Mini, see if you could hear the supercharger. You can definitely hear the supercharger on that little thing. Sounds awesome. Right now we're actually going to Home Depot to get some blinds for the office. If you guys watched the previous video, there's a section that I want blinds in, so that people walking by don't really look inside to see what's there, especially after hours, since I don't know the area, I don't know what it looks like and what happens at night. Next stop is Home Depot, and then we're going to the lot, and then lastly we're going to Andy's house. So slight change of plans. I think we got everything. We came here. They have installed a new fence, but that one section right there, so I don't know. I'm trying to leave 2 cars here tonight, at least until Monday when they can finish up this obviously missing hole, and anybody can just walk through. Watch, there's a invisible force field. Nope, just like that, but there's some new barbed wire. Yeah, I don't know. We'll probably leave it right under here, under the cameras. Almost forgot to grab you guys with us. That's gonna stay here for now. Everything else is in the kitchen. Let's head to Andy's house. Made it to Andy's place. I will check this out. Show you guys what he has. This is not everything. So look, a few trailers. Nice Mini right there. M3 that I had for a while. I think that's X5, maybe X7. Another M3. 6 Series, my Mini. He picked up the Cayenne. I think literally just yesterday he brought it. GMC truck. Another 3 Series Porsche. I actually tried to buy this Porsche, but he outbid me on it. And then I was like, yo, was it you? He goes, yep. Show you guys what he has inside. So this is a clean title. Wow, clean title.
It bothers me. You have performed. You got snow tires. Yeah.
Are they studded or no?
No, doesn't. You got 73k miles.
And this is from your convertible M3, right? The Laguna Seca.
I don't know why it's not in the car yet, but whatever, it's on my phone.
And then look at this thing. Just hiding away.
Okay, look at that.
Bike here. Oh, that's a Ducati. Thought it was a Gixxer.
What is it? Is there any more?
Here's what else you got. G55, I believe. Yep, G55, supercharged 5.4. Here's the Laguna Seca M3. You guys saw the hardtop convertible, matching paint. Downstairs. He's had this car forever. I think it was one of the first cars he bought when his business started to do well. And honestly, I feel like he's had it for maybe 6 years now, if not more. Considering other cars that he barely keeps. Oh, look at that. It was nice of him to open the garage for us. There you go. Shout out to Gresham Auto Wrecking. Andy, you're so nice.
For what?
Opening up the garage and everything. This is his almost latest purchase, but I mean, from like the fun cars that he has, this is the latest purchase, I believe. Just look at this thing. That GT3 RS is crazy loud. Crazy loud. Lamborghini, I think, has an aftermarket exhaust too. One thing that I do love that Mercedes does very well is the darn exhaust. It's like a modern muscle car. Just look at this thing too. Straight up race car. No, this thing is crazy loud. Just screams. Guys, and there's more cars. The red Audi behind is a S4 manual 4.2. I think he said like 70,000 miles. I have not driven a diesel Sprinter van. Man, this is nice. Surprisingly, it is so smooth. Very, very comfortable. And aside from the banging in the back, seems very well built. But these turns, they are something else. I'm doing 20 miles per hour. have made it. I don't know why those tires right here. Need to get rid of that sign. Alright, I don't know how we're gonna do this. We got the stuff moved in. Gonna show you guys what we brought. This will be my desk, but it's an L-shaped. And we will get that fixed up. Ladder, that was there, this was here. This will be Andy's desk right here. Some stuff of mine. What I'll need to do is probably come back with a pressure washer tomorrow, I don't know when, and clean all of this up, all this mold and whatnot, and then put anti-slip stuff here because I literally slide down and make burnouts with my feet. So we're gonna go back to the lot, right, Andre? Ooh, dang, girl.
Honestly.
And get the other car, and then come back here, start assembling stuff, change some bulbs in the bathroom. One of the other things we need to do is measure that sign. So that looks 3 feet, so 4 feet high is what I'm seeing, right? And then I'm guessing it's gonna be 4 by 5. Teamwork, nice. We were off by a foot, but we were measuring from the van over here. I thought it was 3 by 4. Turns out it's 4 by 5. Coming back, I'm grabbing this last car, and then we out of here to the new place. So these 2 cars are gonna stay here overnight. This is going back to Andy's house. He's counting how many cars will fit in here. And we got a lot of moving stuff to do. But man, this is a big building. I feel so bad, I feel like we got carried away almost. So as you guys can see, it's getting dark. Like I said, it's going to be a long day. But the first set of blinds is in, and these were hecka cheap. Home Depot for like $16 for one. And we couldn't find anything long enough because this is 91 inches across. The longest they had was 72. So we basically bought 46 inches. And again, weird thing, this length here is 51 inches. But Home Depot had either 48 inches and the next closest was 61, which is this. So we're making it work. If anything, just kind of grab it right here. Well, and then of course I lift it up. But really nice blinds. I mean, they're not like super thick in the sense of these, but they do the job really, really well. Very happy with them. And for 32 bucks total, I mean, you can't go wrong. It is dark out, and me and my brother have been back and forth. We went to Home Depot because the first blinds we installed, they were a little short, like width-wise, and there was a gap, and I didn't want a gap because whatever. If we're gonna do it, I want it done right. So went back to Home Depot, returned those blinds, got 2 other ones, great size, but one of the new boxes doesn't have hardware, so we can't install them. So we're going back to Andy's house, drop off this van that he was so nice to let me borrow, and he has a Home Depot super close to his place. So we're gonna stop by there, exchange the blinds again, and get a screwdriver, get a power extension cord because I need that, and go get my Mini and head back to the lot, to the new location, and continue working on, I don't know when this video is gonna end. It's already late. It's 7 o'clock. We started this at what, like 10:30 roughly? Yeah, we've been at it for a while, and it almost seems like not a lot has been done, but it's progress, it's slow progress, and it will honestly take probably a few days at least until kind of settled in and whatnot. But this is where we're at now. Guys, I am home. We went to Andy's house, dropped off the van, picked up the Mini. I am back home. We're just so tired. It's already past 8 o'clock, and I just gotta get some rest, and tomorrow we will resume. We got everything we need, I think. But for today, I know it's been a kind of messy video. I don't even have light for you guys. Oh, it's all, oh, whatever. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining. This is a new adventure, a new beginning for this channel, for my career, for my business. If you want to tag along, see what happens, please subscribe, stick around, and until next video, I will see you guys next time.